Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my video. Today I want to show you or I want to explain to you what is count function and the derivative like Countif, Countblank, Count A and Countifs and the others. Okay, this function is very basic function. You can use it for a bunch of application. It's bound to you. Over here we have two tables that I already write in. This one is for just my item. This is for the cloth code. Okay, for apparel code. My apparel code. You no need to consider much for this code. Just watch and just learn this code. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, now I want to explain what is count function. We write count. Okay, and we make the function of count equal right count, and then the value, let's say we want to count the B column. It will return 20 value. This 20 value is from the counting only a number, okay, in B column, because Excel, the default is for number function, is for number variable, not for text or string. So the count function will count only number or function. I mean number function. Okay, let's double check. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This cell didn't count because it's not a number. Okay, so I repeat, the count function only counts a number value between a cell, column, or row or anything. And the next one is count A. Sorry, count A function. Count A function is for to count any cell is contain a value, any value. It could be a text, string, number, function, or anything. Let's try count A B column. Okay, it returns 22 because the previous one, this cell, the B2 cell and B15 cell didn't count in the previous one. On this function it counted, so it will return 22 number. Okay, and the next one is count blank. It's just like the inverse of count A. It just counts the blank cell between array you input. Okay, count blank. The range we put BB. If we put BB, it will returns all the blank cell. Let's see. As you can see, there is also many, but we don't want it, so we just small scale the range just from B1 to 25. It should be 3 count blank. As I said, 3 count blank because there is only 3 blank cell. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is the basic one, count A and count blank. And the next one is count if. Count if you want to count, this function is to count in a condition that you define on the function. Okay, count if we write count if, and then the range, let's say over here, and we want to counts the value of 21. It returns 2 because it's only counts the 21 value. As you can see, this 21 value is only 2. Okay, and the other application of Countif, it can use the wildcard input. For example, if we want to count how many cells that contain only SP01, there is a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SP01, the other is not. We can use the wildcard function. Let's try this input Countif, and then the range AA column, and then quotes. This one is very important, is asterisk. Okay, you put the asterisk symbol and you write SP01 asterisk again, and then the quotes again. Just to remember, you have to input the asterisk after the first quote and then just right before the second quote. Okay, just write and hit the enter. It counts 5, like I said before. Okay, see, SP01 is only 5 cell. Okay, and the next one is Countifs. Countifs. Also, it's same like before, like Countif, but it can use more than one condition. Okay, let the example Countif. The criteria one. Let's say we want to count a column which inside is contain dash s, the asterisk again, and then the quotes. And this is the first condition we define, and then next we define the second condition. Okay, first the criteria, the range first. We say, let's say the BB column, and then the second criteria we put, let's say 15. Okay, I review it again. This one is two condition for Countif. Enter. It returns 1. Let us double check. Okay, let's find the dash s, this one, this cell, and then this cell, and then this cell, and then this cell. See, dash s, dash s, dash s, dash s, and then with between this cell, or in this cell, after that the B column, which one is has the 15 value? There is only one. This one 5 also wrong, this one 44 wrong, and then this one the 22 wrong. So the function will returns the one value. Okay, I hope you understand. This really basic function is very powerful function. You can do it for bunch of application. I hope this video useful for you. If you like it, just like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, just put on the comment. Later I will reply to you and we can learn together. Okay, thank you.